Wednesday's precise and important news. Afghanistan's corruption ranking has improved 24 spots. According to Transparency International, Afghanistan has scored 24 out of 100 in the new index, ranking 150th out of 180 countries. Last year, Afghanistan stood at 174th spot with a score of 16. The international community should not force extremism against this oppressed nation. Minister of Interior Affairs Honorable Khalifa Sirajuddin Haqqani to the international community. Don't force your extremism and prejudice against this oppressed nation. Our abilities have been proven to the international community on the battlefield. The continuation of sanctions can only affect citizens, and we hope that the international community will help the people financially out of respect for humanity. We want peace in the region, and it is in the best interests of all. Acting Minister of Foreign Affairs said at the inauguration ceremony of 5,000-bed hospital for drug addicts that we are saddened by the recent incidents in Pakistan. The explosion in a mosque in Peshawar should be thoroughly investigated, and no one should point their fingers of blame at us. We want peace in the region. There is no more terrorism here. Dr. Muhammad Naeem Wardak participated in the independence ceremony of Algerians. On the official invitation of the Embassy of Algeria, Dr. Muhammad Naeem Wardak, the head of the Afghan embassy in Qatar, participated in the independence ceremony of Algerians. We have built 54 new health centers in different parts of Ghazni. The public health chief of Ghazni says that we have built 54 new health centers within a year. The chief added, these centers were built in areas where people did not have access to health centers, and these clinics will solve their primary problems. The Tanasar Check Dam put into operation in Zabul. The Tanasar Check Dam in Kalat city, built by the UNDP organization at the cost of $92,000 was put into use in Zabul province. 9 rounds of SPG-9 discovered and confiscated in Farah province. Security forces have discovered and confiscated 9 rounds of SPG-9 and a number of ammunition in Balabaluk district of Farah province, said Ministry of National Defense.